Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me basically cleaning and going through my entire room at home. I feel like I've done this before, definitely at least in a vlog. Every time I come home, I'm basically like wanting to get rid of stuff or go through everything that I have here. Because of the virus that's happening right now, everyone is kind of self-isolating in their houses. So I figured I would use this time to be productive and just go through everything and just keep getting rid of stuff. Now is the time especially for me to be doing this because my parents are actually about to be moving in July-ish. They're currently building a house, which is set to be done in like June or July. Well, now depending on how long it gets like set back because of the virus and everything. But they've been pretty much going through all of their stuff as well, and just we're all trying to get rid of as much as we can. My lease is up for my apartment in July because I'm graduating this semester. Well, actually not graduating anymore. I want to do a video, maybe just like doing my makeup and kind of talking about everything because I am a senior this year, so it's really devastating that all of this is happening right now. So yeah, I'm not sure exactly when I'm walking, but this is my last semester of college and I'm moving out of my apartment in July. So I will move back home with my parents into their new house. So I'm really excited for that, but I do want to be prepared and pretty much have everything ready to go and what I'm going to bring, what I'm going to get rid of. So my room here is honestly a wreck right now. I always talk about that too. Like when I come home just to visit, I just throw everything everywhere and I don't really have a place for anything. I hate that not all of my stuff is in one place. I brought like a huge suitcase because I figured I'd be here for pretty good amount of time depending on how long we have to like stay indoors. So I'm going to show you guys kind of what the room looks like right now. I'm not going to touch anything or clean anything up. I'm just going to show you exactly what it is. So you can kind of see like a transformation to like what I end up organizing and things I put away. I think I'm going to go through and see different things I either want to keep, just throw away, donate, or try and sell. So I pretty much do that every time I clean and organize things. I have like all those different piles to see like which different things I can put where. For a long time, I tried selling my clothes on Poshmark. I do still have a closet up, so you can shop that if you want, but a lot of it's really old stuff. And like, honestly, I don't blame people for not wanting to buy it, but I am going to go through my clothes again when I go back to my apartment to see if there's any newer, like trendier pieces that I might want to get rid of that people might actually still buy. I do want to try and make some money off my stuff if I can. If not, I'm just going to end up donating everything by the time that we move because I'm sick of just having it everywhere trying to sell. I'm not really sure where I'm going to start, but I'm going to first just like give you guys an overview of like what's going on right now. Also excuse my face situation right now. I did open up my self-tanning membership this month again for spring break, and I thought we were going to have formal and like grad pictures and everything, but none of that's happening. So pretty pale because I can't go get a spray tan right now. And also spring break gave me these cute little snake bites, so we love that. My skin has been so clear and I totally messed it up over spring break, but that was my fault. I was eating like crap out every day. It was not good. I also got kind of burned when we went to the beach, only my nose and like right here. So I have a cute little red area right in the middle of my face. Okay, so this is the situation right now. I don't have a ton of stuff in my room anyways, but I have thrown everything here for now. My mom just put this trash can in here because I might give it to John because she's getting rid of stuff and asked if I wanted it. I took out my Nintendo DS last night because everyone has the new Animal Crossing on the Switch and I don't have a Switch. So I literally played this last night and that's why it's sitting here. I have a few clothes in these drawers, not too much. Most of my stuff is at my apartment. So I really need to go back and figure out what I'm going to take out of those drawers in my closet there because I do want to get rid of a lot more. But basically there's a few shirts in here that like maybe might be from high school or things that I like thought maybe I'd want to keep. But honestly, like I don't want anything anymore. Like I don't even want it sitting there. My thing is like if it's been here and I haven't needed it, like I can get rid of it because obviously I'm surviving at my apartment without it. Also I have pants on, they're just really short shorts. So yeah, basically anything in this room I could get rid of because I've gone this long without it at school. So I'm ready to just let go of everything. I also got this shirt from the thrift store a while ago. I think I had it in a vlog too. I wasn't sure if I wanted to get it because I was like, do I really need more t-shirts? But it's super cute. I don't always want to wear like my sorority t-shirts, so sometimes this is cute to just like switch it up. And also since I'm about to graduate, I don't want to wear a bunch of like Zeta shirts. I don't think there's anything in these. I used to have like some extra skincare stuff, which is like so weird to put that there, but I've just been using it to stand at my mirror. Yeah, I feel like I should clean them off and use them for storage like when I actually leave, but for now I need it to hold my mirror up. This is just my makeup table thing. I want to like deep clean everything too because they are going to start showing our house. So my mom wants me to like vacuum and I'm going to clean down everything just to make sure my room is nice and pretty. Those are pretty much all yearbooks and I have some shopping bags. I had a bunch up there for like decoration, so I guess they're fine sitting there for now. I mean, they're not really in my way. This is some stuff that I brought, so pretty much everything here I'm gonna keep because I brought all of this stuff because I wear it, obviously. We did laundry yesterday, so I'm gonna go through this and fold it and figure out whatever. I hate not knowing like how long I'm gonna be here or if I should put things in the closet. Like should I move in? I don't know. I'm sure I'm gonna go back to my apartment at some point, and I still want to like finish out my time there and hang out like once we can actually go back outside. But I don't know. I do need to go soon though, to at least go through stuff, and then maybe slowly I will move everything back here, because I feel like the majority from here on out I'm just going to be home. I have a feeling I'm gonna leave all this stuff, so I might like at least put it in my drawers, and if I need to take it out, I'll do that. But I know they're probably gonna want my suitcase and stuff put away, especially if people are gonna come and see the house. I don't know what's in those. I think I did this last. Oh, this is all stuff I want to get rid of, I'm pretty sure. This is all like yard sale or selling stuff. I have a few more pairs of shoes that maybe I can sell as well, because like I said, I've survived without them. Some extra dresses and jackets, I'm pretty sure. A lot of these are like school hoodies too, but like they're all like small. I want like oversized stuff nowadays, so might get rid of those. This is my old dance bag from high school. I pretty much have everything in there from high school that I wanted to keep, all my like memory stuff. That's basically like a memory box for me. So I will at least keep that, but hopefully I can like find something to figure out for college. I mean, it's mostly just gonna be Zeta, like not college in general. And that bag is like Christmas decorations, and I don't know what's in that, but I'm gonna go through and figure it out. Over here is this like bookcase, not bookcase, what? Shelf that I found at the Salvation Army too. It was 30 bucks, and then I realized it was from IKEA, so this was like a great find. I haven't decorated it yet, but I want to put like some cute decor on it. I think I might just wait until we move, because I mean, I'm just breaking down this room at this point. There's no point in putting up decorations. See, I just have my towels hanging there too when I like shower here, because I don't have like a hook. I promise I don't live like this. Like if you see my other videos, you know that like my room is always super clean. This is just temporary. But yeah, there's nothing really in these baskets. I used to have like some hair stuff, but that's also a memory box. Under here, I think I have some extra bags. Like I said, I already went through this last time and got rid of a ton of stuff. This is mostly just, oh yeah, more Christmas decor, Halloween, a couple backpacks and stuff that might be good to keep. I really did eliminate a lot, so I don't think there's going to be too much that I have to go through, but I basically just want to organize everything. Definitely want to get rid of that dress stand. Is that what it's called? That was my sophomore year homecoming dress. So it was really cute. My room used to be like those golds kind of colors, so it did match for a long time. But I don't need a dress on display in my room anymore. I'm wondering if I should go through, because I have all my prom homecoming dresses and some like formal dresses downstairs that I might like look through and see if there's anything I can sell. Well, I mean, no one's having prom anymore. For a long time I wanted to keep stuff like that, but I feel like there's just honestly no point. Like I have the pictures, I have the memories, I don't need the actual dress, I don't think. The first thing I think I'm gonna do is make my bed, and then I'm gonna go through all of my clothes and like fold them. I don't want to put them in the drawers yet, because I'm gonna go through these first, but for now I just want to like make my bed, fold all the clothes and lay them out so I know like what I have. Okay, so I just emptied everything out of my suitcase. This was everything I brought with me from my apartment. So that's not that much, so I'm pretty much just going to put all of that away. There's none of this that I want to get rid of, obviously. I want to try and clean my shoes, just because they're kind of gross. But yeah, I have to put these few shoes away that I brought. But I don't want to put anything away until I go through this, because I'm going to see like how much room I have. So I'm going to go through that in my closet now to see like how much room I am going to have for this stuff, and then I'm going to put it all away. So these are some things out of my drawers that I think I'm gonna still get rid of. These were the few high school shirts that I kept. I'm gonna see if I can fit them in that bag, because I really only want them for like the memes. I'm never gonna wear them, but they're like mean something. Like this was my dance shirt, this was John's football shirt, so like they have our names on it. Like I wouldn't just get rid of it. But yeah, I pretty much put everything in the drawers, and I have like quite a bit of room. These are just the shirts that I brought for the most part. I had my jeans and stuff. Of course I have so many more clothes at my apartment, but I have plenty of room to like fit them all in whenever I do bring them. Also, my drawers are broken and horrible, so sorry about that. I also left this drawer open because I'm gonna try and put like my hair, skincare, like stuff that I usually keep out, like I'm just gonna put in here. because I don't want to just like store it on the counter. Those are a few of the shirts that I brought that need to be hung up, so I'm gonna just hang them in here. I don't have like my pretty felt black hangers. I just have like all my extra ones. Like I said, when I bring the rest of my stuff, I can have those and make it more organized, but I'm just gonna throw them in here for now. This is John's, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I have like a bunch of his clothes I need to ask if he wants. So here's the bag of all my high school stuff. I'm pretty sure I can fit these shirts in there. I do have a few hoodies and stuff that I don't really want to keep out, so I'm going to see if I can fit them, but I think it might be really stuffed. I'm also debating what to do with my Converse and Vans. Like, I have them here, so obviously I don't wear them that often. And I don't know, I feel like they're not the style anymore. I don't know, I'm still thinking about those. So this is the current situation. I have a bunch of stuffed animals right here because this suitcase was in the back of my closet with another suitcase inside of it that had a bunch of those. My mom's been wanting me to go through my stuffed animals to see like what I want to keep in storage or whatever. I only have a couple that are more like meaningful, and then I can like get rid of most of them. I don't know what to do with that suitcase. It was technically my sister's, so I'm gonna ask my mom if she like wants it for anything. I have like 2 sets of crutches. That just is my life. I don't even have to explain anymore. I don't know what to do with them. Like, I don't want to just throw them away. I might keep one set, obviously, for if anything happens. All the clothes I brought, I just kind of shoved in the back corner because when I bring my other clothes, I can just put it here. Again, this is all like yard sale stuff and that thing down there. I have like a big shoe rack that is in my apartment, so I don't know how I'm gonna fit this in with like the shelving too. I guess I'll figure it out. But I also have this rack back here. This is all John's stuff that I'm gonna have to show him and see if he wants to keep or not. Things are a little bit more together. I know it looks like a rack, but that's because I still have to keep this in here for now until we have a yard sale. I pretty much cleared this off. I have a steamer here that doesn't work, so I'm gonna see if we can fix it or do something with that. And I just have my DS that I took out, my AirPods and bracelet, so I can find some more for that in a minute. But none of this really has anything in it, and I looked at my cabinets and it's already been cleared out from the last time. So once I clean off my dresser and my couch, everything is gonna look very clean. So I think I've officially gone through everything. This is obviously the stuff I was gonna talk to my mom about because I'm not sure where she wants that. I am just gonna keep the steamer right here because I want to see if I can fix it or do something with it. Actually, no, I'm putting this away. I actually don't know if it'll fit there. Oh yeah, it does. This is ruined completely. We're getting rid of all of this furniture. It's so old. I'm gonna keep my DS there in case I play Animal Crossing again. I do need to like vacuum and wipe stuff down now, so I'm going to do that. Those are some clothes that I'm gonna either try and sell or get rid of, but I want to take pictures just to put them on Poshmark later maybe. So I just finished vacuuming. I'm pretty sure that's all I'm going to be doing for today. Obviously all of this is cleaned off now. I just have to put that stuff away. And yeah, I have burn marks on my dresser. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I might do another one of these when I'm just doing this again because I'm pretty much going to be doing it a bunch of times before we move. I hope you guys enjoyed and thanks for watching.